look, like I said, man, go rounds, man. Nigga, we going to the Super Bowl. Hey, look, they can thank me for them wings that I made, man. I almost burnt down the house making them wings. But guess what, man? We did it, man. It was all worth it, man. Go Rams, man. We gonna be in the Super Bowl, man, playing the Seahawks. Wifey talking about we still got 3 minutes. Hey, look, baby. We going to the Super Bowl. Boo Bears, go Rams. Yay!
He put too much oil on the parchment paper. What the heck? Right here. I can't breathe. My chest hurt.
I'll go ahead and spray it in. Nah. It's smoking again. As y'all can see here, the alarm is going off. We're gonna have to do immediate evacuation again. I gotta keep doing this because the fire alarm keeps going off because the oven's still smoking for all that olive oil that I sprayed on the freaking pan. This is crazy. Woo! Wings. It is not supposed to be this joint. Hey, look, man. Hey, man, shout out to AB, Mr. Make It Happen, man, Grubby, Blues Kitchen, man, all y'all, man, that really do this, man, because y'all make this shit look easy. Y'all should have fucking told me that, man, I was going to be working out, man, fire alarms, man, doing fire drills and all this stuff, man. When it comes to cooking, man, I might have to leave this to the wife. The wife is like, yeah, she behind the camera right now. Like, leave the cooking to me. Hey, but look, man, check this out, man. We gonna keep going, man, because I ain't a quitter, man. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, we gonna keep on pushing. You know what I mean? No grind, no shine. Man, as y'all can see, man, this stuff is still smoking and it's causing a fire alarm to go off, which is why I gotta keep running over there, fanning the freaking thing so that it won't go off and the neighbors won't think we burning down the complex, you know what I mean? Everything is good, man, don't need to worry, man. Jeez. The motherfucking wings, man, party wings for the motherfuckers, for the dad. Oh, man. Damn, this shit a workout, man. I gotta fan the damn fucking fire alarm shit. This shit keep going on. Jeez. Hey, look, y'all. Don't try this shit at home, man. Leave it to the professionals. Leave it to AB. Leave it to Grubby. Leave it to Mr. Make It Happen. Cause goddamn, I ain't making it happen right now. Jeez. All right, y'all, we back. So I got Jeremiah with me right here. He's gonna be helping me cook these wings today. So it's, what's today's date?
The 18th.
January 18th. It's playoffs today. You know, I'm a Rams fan, so we got the Rams playing the Bears. Go Rams. So, you know, I got to do my part so they can do their part. You know what I mean? So today we cooking these wings. We about to pull up my boy smoking and grilling with AB. Gonna use another one of his recipes, baby. So even though I've never cooked wings before, he never cooked wings before, we're gonna look it up. Like, even if I cooked something before and I know how to make it, I still like to pull up a professional chef recipe, right? It's like, for me, looking at somebody's recipe and then like watching it before I make my own thing, maybe add my own little twist to it, right? That's the same thing as using the navigation system in my car. Yeah, I know how to get home coming from Stater Brothers, but I'm still gonna put the address in my navigation system because guess what? It might be an accident, you know, on the road somewhere. I might have to take a detour or whatever the case may be. I can avoid some mistakes or I can get to where I need to get to a lot quicker. You know, you just never know what's gonna happen. So for me, I feel a lot comfortable having my navigation on no matter where it is I'm going, even if I know how to go there, right? So it's the same thing when I'm getting ready to cook. even though I know how to make eggs, I might throw on somebody videos on how to make eggs, because guess what? I might learn something different. You never know. They might come up with a new technique, a new tool, a new utensil. You know, it ain't no telling, right? Yeah. So Jeremiah, this is for you too. You know, this is just how I do it. You know, it's my way. For those of you guys who watch my video, I'll put the link in the description. You know, I did a lot of time. I just got out, but I've been out for about 5 years. I did 11 and a half years, went in when I was like 20 years old. So, you know, I'm learning how to cook with the kids. But one thing I know about this cooking here, man, it's not rocket science. Let me tell y'all something. Nothing is rocket science except rocket science. And even that shit ain't all that. You know what I mean? You can learn anything, man. You just got to study up, man. You got to use your brain. And it's a process of learning no matter what it is. So, and that's what we doing when we cook. And we cooking as a family. We showing the kids how to cook. He's about to be 17 in a couple months. He'll be 18 next year. So, you know, we getting him ready to go out there to the world, man. So he don't have to go through what I went through. He don't have to get incarcerated. He don't have to worry about none of that kind of stuff, right? He has another option, even though I had an option, but he has the benefit of me going through all that, so he don't have to go through it. He has the benefit of learning how to cook with me now, so he don't have to learn how to cook later, you know, or depend on a woman or a significant other to cook, right? You know what I mean? So with enough of that, we're gonna get into these wings. You ready for that?
Yeah.
So you got the video pulled up on Smoking and Grilling with AB, man. Look at him, man. You know, he never lets me down, man. We about to use these wings, man. Knock these wings out. Let's get to it.
The next thing that we're going to do to make the wings is we're going to pat the wings dry and toss them with baking powder, salt, and pepper.
All right, baking powder, salt, and pepper. So pat these wings dry. All right, so we back. So we're done cleaning the wings. We patted the wings dry. Now we're going to go ahead and move down the list. What does it say to do next, Jeremiah?
Now we need to toss them with baking powder, salt, and pepper.
All right, so how much baking powder do we need?
It says 1 tablespoon, but since we're using 6 pounds of wings, we need 3 tablespoons of baking powder.
Right, because the ingredients is for 2 pounds, but we're using 6 pounds, yeah. So, right. All right, cool. So that's what we're going to do next. Real smooth and simple, man, but don't be like us. Make sure you got everything you need before. So you know you're gonna need 1 tablespoon or something. Make sure you have your whatever you call this. I don't even know the name of it, but make sure you have that ready so you can get 1 tablespoon or whatever you need. The same thing, we had to go find this teaspoon, man. The words then came off of it and all kind of stuff, man. But you know, we learning as we go. Let's get to it, man. So we're gonna do 3 teaspoons of salt. And then what's this? Because this is a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So we're going to do 1 1/2. But so what's going on, y'all? We back. So we're done salting the chicken with salt. We use black pepper. We got our baking powder up in there. We're going to go ahead and mix all that together according to the instructions, right? Man, is that up already?
Yep.
Yeah, it's ready to go. It's at 400 degrees, so let's go ahead and mix all this up. Get this in there. All right, so we back. I forgot to mention that we are going to go ahead and use this. You know, it's AB seasoning, even though it didn't say that in the ingredients. But like I said, Jeremiah, one thing about cooking, man, you know, you kind of put your own little twist to it. You know what I mean? So I like to make things my own, add a little bit of this, take away a little bit of that. You know what I mean? Make me feel like I did something, like I came up with something. I don't know. That's just me. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Y'all, so we're back again. You know, it's time for the next step. What we got to do next, Jeremiah? We got
Next step is add olive oil and a range of wings on in a single layer.
Okay. I think that's about enough space. What you think, Jeremiah?
Yep.
Cool.
Good.
All right.
You think I should start on this rock?
No. You're my assistant right now. You wait. Don't get ahead of yourself, young Jedi. Hey, I tell you, man, these kids, he's just in a hurry to get on it. You want to lay a couple of these down, man?
Sure.
Go ahead, man. Well, I'll let you lay something down on that rack, man. God damn. I can't have no fun, man. I'm gonna have to write you up for insubordination. Damn it. All right, man. My bad, man. I didn't mean to curse off. All right, man. You're supposed to be assisting me, basically. Go ahead and move that over to the side so I can bring that one down. All right, y'all. So, y'all. I'm back. I'm not gonna lie. I messed up, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it real. When I use this, I sprayed this on the parchment paper, right? And I sprayed too much of this, and I sprayed too much of this on this. So when I put it in the oven, I noticed I should have got it on video, but I didn't catch it. It might be on my Ring camera. I'll let y'all know if I upload it. But look, it started smoking. The smoke alarms went off, everything. It was scary. I got wifey in the background talking smack, you know what I mean? So anyways, I had to take everything out the oven. She's cleaning the pans right now. She's wiping those down. We're gonna put it back up in there. At the end of the day, you know, it's gonna be all right. The game getting ready to start. So, you know what I mean? It's all good. We gonna make it work, you know what I mean? I got the thermometer to check the meat to make sure everything come out right, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a little bit different, but jeez, I'm telling you, man, when you try to learn how to cook, it's hard, man. You know, you make mistakes. I wonder, do professional chefs and everybody else be going through this, man? Have you ever burned down your house while you was cooking? Y'all let me know in the comments, man. It's crazy, man. It's real, man. But hey, look, man, we gonna figure it out, man. God is good, man. We still here, man. The house is still intact. As you can see, Jeremiah, he done ran off, man. He done took the baby and got out of Dodge. They all done had to went outside, man. You know what I mean? Had to evacuate the house. Y'all ever remember back in school when, you know, the fire alarms get off and you have to know how to evacuate and everything? It was crazy. We do the same thing here, too. So the kids, they went ahead and hit that drill, man. They outside, you know what I mean? So the baby and they're not inhaling all this smoke, man. But we all right, man. Wifey got my back, man. You know, but hey, man, you know, like I said, I'm a novice, man. I ain't no professional, man. I'm just trying to get some wings, man, for these rounds, man. So I gotta do my thing so they can do their thing, man. That's it. Hey, man, when these wings come up out the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see how they turned out, man. We're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. We're gonna let Jeremiah taste it, let us know what he think about it, man. And then, yeah, we're gonna get ready, man, to root for these rounds, man. Let's go. Go around. All right, y'all, so we back again. We got all this stuff going on with the smoke and the fire, man. The first batch of wings just came out, man. I want to get these things seasoned up with the last step. We're going to use this ranch seasoning, you know what I mean, that nephew told us about from Smoking the Grill with Nephew. All right, y'all, so look, man, we back. The wings is done. The game is on. You know what I mean? We better get to it, man. Go rounds. So Jeremiah, go ahead and grab one of these. You're gonna do a taste test.
Right.
Give us your honest opinion, man. Don't fake nothing. Is it too sour? Is it tender enough? Is it too crunchy? Is the flavor good? Because we got the ranches over here. We ain't even got all your sauces right here, man. You know what I mean, y'all? Well, I showed y'all the sauces in the beginning of the video for the prep, man.
Whatever the sauce is. Got a little bit of a tangy taste to it, a little sourness.
A little sourness
from the ranch.
And that's too much ranch, right? So, yeah, I added a little bit of too much of that ranch seasoning. Anyways, y'all, I'm going to be tapping back in throughout the game, man. But that's how we do it, man. We had Jeremiah in the kitchen cooking with us. Yeah, man, we had a few, you know what I mean? We had a few incidents, a few hiccups, like Wifey said, man. But we made it through. The wings is done. We checked the temperature on them. They came out to 165. For me, one of them is got a little bit of too much of the ranch seasoning on it, but it's still cool. The batch that I got is perfect. I got my different seasonings and whatnot, so you know what I mean. That should counteract, you know, the over ranch stuff. So you know what I mean, it's good. You know, I said we did good. You know, for our first batch of wings. What do you say?
I say it's pretty good experiences, stuff like that.
All right, yeah, man. We almost burned down the house. You don't do that every day. Peace. Bourbon. Let's go Rams. Let's go Rams. Hey, look, man, I did my thing. They did their thing. And that's what I'm talking about, man. Now that's family, man. Tap in.